What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the pricing plans here with GetResponse to help you figure out which one could be the best choice for you. So let's get straight into it. Now, before we begin, if you guys are interested in trying out GetResponse yourself, there is a 30-day free trial that you can claim. Just click the link in the description down below and you'll be able to claim that trial as well. Also, leave a full review in the description if you'd like to learn a little bit more about GetResponse. But briefly speaking, before we get into the plans, GetResponse is kind of like an all-in-one online marketing platform that offers a lot of tools that are designed to help businesses grow their online presence and engage with audiences. Now, some of the main features within GetResponse, you'll see things like email marketing tools. You can create landing pages. There's a lot of marketing automation as well, and the ability to host online events, workshops, courses, and webinars. And you also have integration with e-commerce platforms and features for selling products directly via emails or landing pages. And you also have a very simple to use customer relationship management tool that helps you in managing and segmenting contacts and whatnot. And GetResponse is essentially great for small to medium-sized businesses, online marketers, e-commerce stores, educators and coaches, bloggers and content creators, and agencies that are simply looking to use email marketing, automation, or online events as part of their marketing or sales strategy. And it's designed to be very easy to use, even for those new to online marketing. The user interface just makes everything so simple. Okay, now one thing to keep in mind is that if you go for the 24-month plans, you're going to be getting cheaper rates, and the prices will also depending on your contact size. So let's say you have 5,000 contacts, you'll see that it becomes more expensive, obviously. So that's just something to keep in mind. You can pay for the amount of contacts that you have, not more, not less. So, you're able to kind of customize it a little bit depending on your needs, which is really cool. Now we've got the first plan here, the email marketing plan, which will go for, let's just say if you're going for the 24-month plan and 1,000 contacts, it will go for $13.3 per month. And this is great for small businesses, bloggers, and content creators that want to build their audience through regular newsletters and basic email campaigns. And you're getting the inclusion of AI-driven content generation, website and landing pages, and sign-up tools, which makes it perfect for getting started with straightforward email marketing. Now, the second plan is going to be the marketing automation plan, which will go for $41.3 a month for the 24-month plan at 1,000 contacts. And this is best for growing businesses and online marketers wanting more advanced targeted email campaigns with added features like event-based automation, webinars, advanced segmentation, and sales funnels. So this is ideal for those scaling their operations and wanting more from their email campaigns. Now, finally, we have e-commerce marketing, and this will go for $83.3 a month for the 2-year plan, again at 1,000 contacts. And this is best for e-commerce businesses that are focusing a little bit more on selling products online. This plan integrates directly with platforms like Shopify, PrestaShop, and Magento, offering tools like quick transactional emails, abandoned cart recovery, and promo codes, essentially tailored for those who need to boost sales and engage shoppers effectively. So as you can tell, each plan is specifically designed to cater to your particular needs, ranging from basic audience engagement to more complex sales-focused strategies with the marketing automation and e-commerce plans. And again, the price will be much more expensive with the monthly plan, and as you go up in terms, you're going to get cheaper rates. If you're looking to GetResponse, make sure that you know your needs well so that you know which plan to go for. And either way, there's a 30-day free trial, which you can claim in the link below. So you have plenty of time to just try out the service before you go with whatever plan that you're looking to get. So that is pretty much it for this video. Again, you'll find the full review as well as the free trial link in the description down below. And besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.